All right, so now how do you add the group when you're doing an assignment? This was actually a little trickier than I thought. So what you're going to do, if you have a group that you want to assign something to, and again, you can't, from what I read, you can't do quizzes like this. You can assign quizzes, I believe, individually to students, but I don't think the groups work with quizzes. But your assignments, announcements, discussions, any of those things, it will work. You would click some group assignment. There you go, group assignment. Click on that, and then assign grades to each student individually. And then under group set, you're gonna find that group set that you had created. And then when you go down here and click into assign to, you will see your group that you have of remote learners, if indeed that's the group that you created. So now I can just assign this week 3 remote learning to them. I can put in my due dates. So you can go ahead and get that all set up. Okay, good luck.